Adasane everyone, I'm Angie B and you're watching a BC Pretty Girly video. And today I'm going to be talking about my new crimping iron. I actually did a search on Google to find the brand of crimping iron that will work well with my synthetic premium Futura brand hair. But the information that I got online and what I was satisfied with was the Bedhead brand of crimping iron. And this brand seemed to have gotten a lot of good reviews. It has temperature settings, which is really what I'm interested in, because as you know, with the premium synthetic brand of hair, you can actually heat it. You can heat it up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit depending on the brand. So you want to pay attention to what the manufacturers say. But as far as the premium synthetic Futura brand hair, it will alter between 350 and 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And by that I mean you can flat iron it, curl it, crimp it, or use any other heating appliance that will go to that temperature. And you could really make some fun styles with it. So that's what I'm going to do today. But before we get into that, for those of you who might be interested in this look that I achieved with the makeup, you want to go ahead and watch the video that I just created with this look. And this look is inspired by the summer. Summer is coming, you guys, and we got to get ready for it. So let's get with some fun hairstyles and fun makeup. I'll actually try and post a link to the video that I did this look, and so you'll be able to see that. So let's get on with the crimping of the synthetic hair. This crimping iron has a lock feature, so I'm going to press it to open, and then it allows it to open. And as you can see, it has a very deep wave pattern. And that's going to allow me to get deep waves. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it up, and there is a temperature gauge. It just has high and low on it, and I'm going to go for high because I believe, I'll check the packaging, but I do believe that on this particular model that it said what the actual degrees was when it's on high, when it's on low, and in between. So I'm going to check that and get that information to you. But for now, let's go ahead and plug it up. here's the final look with the new crimping iron, Bedhead brand. It's my first time using the crimping iron, and according to my research, the temperature gauge actually had temperature markings, and this particular model has high and low. I started out with it on low just to be sure, and low would not crimp this premium synthetic hair. So I turned it all the way to high, and I did get a crimp. Now, the other thing is when you're manipulating the premium synthetic hair, you have to remember that once you heat it, whether it's a curl, whether it's a crimp, flat iron doesn't matter, but a curl or a crimp, if you're trying to put a bend in it, once you heat it, you have to kind of hold the hair in place, because if it's heated and you let it go, the weight of the hair will stretch it and you'll lose the curl. So what I'm thinking with the crimping iron is, instead of standing upright, I probably should do it seated, and then have some sort of a platform or I don't know, a clipboard, something flat that once it's crimped, it can lay there for just a couple seconds, and then you move on to the next section and the next section, and that'll get that really deep wavy look. But this is cute. I like this because it doesn't look planned. It doesn't look like I actually planned to make crimps in my hair. It kind of looks like this is the way the hair is. And with the premium synthetic, it's so light and fluffy, and depending on your installation. That's it for me for now, you guys. As always, I want to thank you all for joining me.